സ്നേഹമുള്ളവരെ, രാത്രി ശിവരാത്രി എന്ന സൂപ്പർ ഹിറ്റ് ഗാനത്തിന് ശേഷം സവാള വട നിങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നിലെത്തുന്നു. കൃഷ്ണനും രാധയും എന്ന സിനിമയുടെ ഹോളിവുഡ് ട്രെയിലറുമായി ഇതാ ഞങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നിൽ. Chekathram showing and doing here some news. She is your Mariwal. Leave it. You are trying to destroy a girl's life.
I is trying. Because of you and she, I lost my good business.
If you dig a well, you won't get water. First you won't get water. First you will get stones and some coal cut up. Some place you will get water within 13 addies. In some place you will get water within 16 addies. But definitely in every places you will get water.
You are correct. I am a politician.
Politics is good, but checkers like you won't suit for that. Family will carry donkey only his weight. Don't know his smell. And hen is black, but egg is white. So don't say Kanam, say Kandirika.
You go there and study.
Yes sir, I am going for theatre for urgent.
Who is there in theatre for urgent?
Yes sir, I am not going to operation theatre. It's a cinema theatre. Okay.
Urgently you used to go to hospital. Urgently you used to go to toilet. Urgently you used to go to house. First time I'm hearing one is going to hospital, cinema theatre for urgent. What's your name?
John sir.
What? Oh!
No, John sir.
What is a color in your face?
സുഗന്ധിക്ക് സുഗന്ധമില്ല സുവലിയ മൈനമുക്ക് അഴകില്ല രാധയില്ല കൃഷ്ണനില്ല ഗാനമില്ല.
അടിയും പടിയും തീർത്താൽ പെടില്ല മനസ്സിൽ